Hi there. How are you? I hope this day you have very happy day. Okay? Now we will learning about basic drawing session 11. Let's go. Basic drawing with subtema drawing object with stone and fabric texture. With me, Miss Elida from Nusa Putra University. Definition of stone. Okay, now for introduction. Now you know what is stone. Do you have explanation, please? You can explain. Well, who on try? Okay, I will explain to you. Stone or rock are group of mineral that have been in hardener of present day. Rocks are also known as natural objects that are the main constituent of the earth matter. Based on research of experts, it is known that information of rock takes up to millions of years. The rock cycle begins the formation in North Rock. Wherever move of rock sedimentation, metamorphosis, and melting of magma again. No? Who? What about types of rocks? Okay. First, in general, rocks are divided into three parts. Number one is igneous rock. Igneous rock are formed as a result of the freezing of magma with the Earth's surface. In batholiths, magma or crater pits still digs and above the Earth's surface or melt. And then number two, this is sedimentary rock. Okay, you can see it's from sedimentary rock. Sedimentary rock deposits are former result of deposition of material derived from fragments. Chunk of rock, this drift of natural and process. This is when ice and accumulated in one place. It compacted into 1 year. A new of rock sedimentary rock have layered characteristics a result of the deposition. Now the number three is metamorphic rock. Chain rock metamorphic. This is are derived from igneous rock are distinct the sedimentary rock. Pressure and temperature resulting in change the physically chemical properties in the original rock. Example: marble, mallehan from quartz, limestone, mallehan from quartz, genus and anything, etc. Okay, this is cycle boys, the rock cycle from igneous rock with weathering and then sedimentary rock with heat and pressure. So this move to metamorphic rock. This is hot and pressure and this melting lava. Okay, how about to growing rock? Okay, we move to the first is for the step. First, you must drawing to sketch. Okay, sketch the sketch. You can see what the basic form of rock. Basic form can be square or circle. You can look or triangle. You can look. You can see in here this is a basic from square. And then the detail. After detailed drawing, you can want to get the texture and then the texture or shaper, how to drawing texture from the raw. And then we move to how to make the volume from the rock it is. First, the rock shaping is this rock makes the each one unique, the above the simple drawing, but the suitable value change the challenge the rock. This for example, this rock you can see in river, or can you say the rock in the mountain, or another place you can see the rock from foundation. You can see a rock from make a building house. Projector rock. This rock is just up the edge opponent in light value and fulfill the value obtain the brush, some stroke and shading and depth. So the rock is in the beach maybe, in the mountain, in the river, anything else you can see much place for see the rock texture. For complete, you can combine with brush in sunlight, brush in shadow, or with cloud maybe, cloudy in sunlight, cloud in blocking, and you can combine. Now we move to definition of fabric. Fabric or clothing that is a body protection from sunburn, rain, cold, insects, disturber, and other disturbance. The function the cat is function general sense, which prevail in the realm of culture. The function plays the role provide a benefit usefulness value for something but intrinsic and external from a concerning that. This type of fabric generally not only use clothes but can also be applied well to add to aesthetic of home application. Because the superiority of fabric is not only relate the character of the gesture and texture, although the strength of the fabric is also very important in consideration. This artwork with texture fabric can see to how to make texture from the shading value how to the lighting. You can combine with the texture of the fabric and then how to make the fabric is can more flexible. You must know the character more flexible. This is you can try to more light maybe. You can try more light or with shadow in the background. You can try with more stroke to make the texture. You can texture so the very with beautiful drawing. This the step number one is that you can make outline and then the detail and move to the texture of fabric. This you can from the position of fabric. Thank you so much for your attention. I hope you can doing your assessment and upload to the website. See you again. Bye bye.